Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Shopiroller, a tool that claims to launch your own e-commerce store and create strong sales channels. So Shopiroller is a no-code platform that lets you manage your e-commerce store via web, mobile, and other popular sales channels. It's an alternative to Ecommerce, Shopify, so it's a niche tool. Those ones are always rare because they need a lot of features and integrations. And here's a new one. It seems well done. And let's take a look at the deal. As you can see here, you're gonna get all future reseller plan, and the difference of the tiers are based on the number of stores that you need. If you buy the tier 1, you get 1 store. If you buy tier 2, 5 stores. Tier 3 is stores. I think the tier 2 here has the better cost benefit. Usually you need more than 1 store if you have more than 1 branding. So here you have for 179, 5 stores. But if you want only 1, if you want to focus on only 1 store, the license tier 1 is good to go. You don't need to stack more codes to get more features, so it's pretty straightforward. Let's take a look at the tool. Here's Shopiroller. You're gonna start creating a new project. I'm creating the project, and when you create the project is your store. So everything happens here on the left. You can see that it's easy to see what's happening here. We have a pretty simple analytics, orders awaiting confirmation, total orders, and total sales. And you're gonna get an analysis report here based on your sales. On the general settings, you're gonna see your project name, where you can change your project name, and also you're gonna see your app key. To configure your store, you need to go to your store settings and start with store information. Here you can see which kind of fields you can customize. You can add your store name, your store contact email, and also select your store industry. You're gonna be able to add your legal name of company, your phone number, street, city, postcode, and currency. This is important. You can see here that they have many currency, okay? You're gonna see probably all of them here. When you are ready, you click on save, and let's see the payment feature. Those are the payment gateways that they have by now. PayPal, EasyCo, Stripe, Paytr, and Burlesic, blah, blah, blah. So those are their payment gateways by now. They have also cash on delivery and money order. You'll be able to set up your legal page with your return and cancellation conditions, delivery conditions. You can fix a system fixed shipping fee as well. You can also set your sender email address, so your customers will receive the notifications from your sender email address. The tool is in English, but you can add new language. You can see here that they have many of them, so pretty much multi-language. To add a new language, just click here to add a new language, and it's done. You can also set the language as default from English to Portuguese, for instance. Let's take a look at the apps. Those are the integrations. They have WhatsApp. I think only WhatsApp by now. Let's take a look here. Yeah, as integrations, I only can see by now WhatsApp showing up here. Although I can only see WhatsApp, I can see on the AppSumo page that you can attract customers on Instagram and Facebook with a shareable link. And also you will be able to integrate with Amazon Ads and Google. So maybe it's on their roadmap. They will launch it. And how can we create a product? So just go here on products and click add new products. You're gonna add your product name, description here. You can add picture and links, adding a picture here. You can also add a video here on media. So just add the link. Add file from URL. So the file, this video needs to have the file, the URL need to have the file. So you copy and paste here. And you can also add the product image here, just like that. Shipping can be free shipping, fixed shipping fee, or custom shipping price. We can add variant types and stock code, number of products on stock, and maximum number of sales. Your product price, and you can also add the discounts. Let's say $10 here. You can also add category, brand, showcase. When you are ready, just click on save, and you're gonna have your new product. To separate your products by brands, showcase, and categories, you just go here and create a new category, for instance. Pretty simple. You can add the translations to all of them. So the tool is multi-language. Just add here category name, for instance, software, and add it. You'll be able to divide your products, list your products between categories, brands, and showcase. And that it is. You're gonna see your orders in a different field here. You're gonna see your clients leads on a CRM on a different tab as well. And you're gonna get the statistics. Pretty easy to go. A tool like Duncan, like Shopify, or you're gonna just have everything set up. You just need to add your information, list your products, and start to sell. About the sales channels, you have here sell on your website. You're gonna set up your online store and set up and ready to go. Just fill in your business information and start selling right away. So you can sell on your website. You can get paid with link. You'll be able to share your shop links on all digital channels and start getting paid securely. So you can use a link of your product. You'll be able to sell on mobile app powered by Shopiroller. So if you have Shopiroller, it could be a good integration for you. You can turn your store into a mobile app with the Shopiroller integrations and also the SDK integrations. Sell on social media, you will be able to connect your store to Facebook, so you can display and sell your products directly through your Facebook business page and reach billions of potential customers, and sell on those marketplaces: Google Shopping, Amazon, Hepsiburada, Trendyol. I think they just started that tool. It's new. Shopiroller is new, but it has potential. It's pretty easy to use, pretty easy to set up. It's powered by Shopiroller, I think. Maybe they are from the same company, so it has a record of success. It's maybe a good tool for you. I may buy that one. I like e-commerce tools. This could be a good tool to have in my toolbox. I hope you like that review. Please, if you like, click on the link in the description to help me to keep going. Bye bye.